Hi guys, welcome back to Just Simple Things. Again, my name is Gabby, and today we're going to be going over Bible Journaling 101. So first things first, you're going to need one of these. You can use any Bible you like, an old one, a new one, one with space in the margins. That's what I'm going to have. And if you want it to look like this, or something like it, hopefully even better, then stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, so first things first, here's everything that you're going to need today. Of course, you're going to need a Bible of some kind. You can use whichever one you'd like. It's up to you. You're going to need some highlighters. I usually prefer to use at least 4. Sometimes I have 5, but I can't seem to find my last one at the moment. You're going to need some stickers, either some notepads or some small little bookmarks. And of course you're going to need some pens because you want to make sure that your Bible is nice and colorful so when you read it back later, everything's going to pop out to you that's most important. And then personally, I found this over at Barnes & Noble. It's called The Art of Bible Journaling. And if you go through it, it has all the steps of some creative things that you can do in your Bible that look really pretty. And today I'm going to be reading out of Proverbs chapter 21. And find a verse that pops out to you. I take some of your highlighters and you're going to color out different verses that speak the most to you. So first I'm going to go to rich and poor have this in common, the Lord is the maker of them all. So you're just going to highlight it like this. You're going to want to get some bright highlighters so that it's very visible. Okay, next you're going to want to take one of your favorite pens, make sure it's really black.
Yeah.
Next, we're going to start writing comments in between the margins just so you can annotate what you've learned. I've picked to use, one who loves a pure heart and who speaks of grace will have the king for their friend. And so on my margin right over here, I've just done this right over here. It's really easy. What I like doing is mixing up cursive with block writing, or with writing that's going to have a shadow right over here in the end. And then right after, you can just fill it in with color. And this is my finished product. So as you can see, I just went through and put some extra little verses in there. Kind of put it in every little corner you can get it. So as you can see, I think it came together pretty nicely. It doesn't really take a lot of work per se. Even if you don't have the best handwriting, as long as you put some pops of color in there, it's going to turn out really pretty. But even if it doesn't, and we've all had those pages in here that just don't turn out the way we want them to, you're still glorifying God and making Him happy, and that's all that matters. And then I didn't get to this yet. So inside of here, sorry, my brother just burped. There are lots of different ideas that I could possibly do. So if you guys have this book at home, or if you guys want to... Josh! That's not nice. So these are some of the things you can do. Let's see. It's like this. Or I could draw a little more in here. or press some flowers. But if you guys have this at home, or if you can find it over at a bookstore, go through it and let me know what you guys want me to do inside of it, if you guys want to see that. Yeah, so comment down below and I will get to that as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.